positibo uli sa ating lahat. Good evening, everyone! Hi! Ano po sa ating mga bisita sa mga round tables po na nandito sa aking harapan, nasa aking kaliwat kanan at nasa likuran. Hello, hello po. Oh my God, hello po lahat ng ating mga guests out there. Hi! And of course, nice to meet you all on our very special event. Pero bago tayo tuloy mag-umpisa na ating program ngayong gabi ito, syempre naman, nais ko na po sana makamusta ang lagay ng ating mga bisita who are here tonight. And I also want to check your vibe by means of your energy. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari po ba akong pakarinig ko muna mula po sa inyong lahat ng isang malakas na pa para may kasamang sigawan siya! Ayan, ganyan dapat. That's the exact vibe we are looking for tonight. At ganyan dapat ang energy natin ngayong gabi. Because of course, we are all here, united together as one to celebrate a very special milestone event for our debutant of the night. So good evening once again to each and every of our guests. And welcome aboard here at the WD Dreamland Resort dito po sa Hanyogan, Malolos, Bulacan. And tulad nga po ng sabi ko kanina lang, is we are all gathered here to witness and also celebrate the 18th birthday celebration of our debutant of the night na si Althea Vita. Diba? Palakpakan naman po natin. Excited po ba kayo? Ayan. Okay. At syempre naman, at kung excited na kayo, hinihiling ko lang na lahat bago tayo magpatuloy. At bago nga tayo kukunga sa FNI, tatawagin natin exciting part for the most of the beginning highlight for program this for tonight, diba? Hinihiling ko lang po na please bear with us po na sa buong program kasi ang goal namin hindi lang po ang debit at ang kanyang pamilya ang mag-enjoy ngayong gabi kung hindi kayo rin po lahat. So feel the vibe, feel at home, and also, ano ba na yun? Go itong kaula po tayo. Pero syempre, we are not going to push you with this event if wala pa dito sa gitna ang ating prinsesa, ang ating napakagandang Debra ngayong gabi. So deserve naman po niya na ating po siyang salubungin with her grand entrance. But before anything else, may I request na po every one of our guests to please rise. Tayo po'y magsipagtayo na po because I believe that it is about time that we are now going to welcome on the grand entrance of our debutant of the night na magagaling po siya doon sa may ating entrance. So harap na po tayo roon. And small favor lang naman po sa ating mga bisita. Konting favor lang para po sa inyo lahat. Once I call her name and as she goes here sa ating stage, of course, habang naglalakad siya, nais ko po sana na hiniling sa inyong lahat. Nasalubungan lang po natin siya isang pangmalakasang palakpakan na may kasabang liyawan. Okay? Pero before we get to that main event, may tanong lang ako sa ating mga bisita. Isang sagot, ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? Manina. DJ na ako nga saglit lang. Parang manina. DJ na ako ng saglit para madinig natin ang sigaw ng ating mga bisita. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? Ano sinasabi ko? Sige, DJ, balik mo na sa dating volume dahil I believe our guests are all prepared and all set. So that's why Bridges I want to get ready because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our one and only beautiful, our gorgeous and fabulous night of the night. Palakpakan naman natin here once again, ladies and gentlemen, folks, our debutant, Miss Althea Vita. Once again, let's give a round of applause for our night of the night. One more time, Althea Vita! Okay, everyone, please remain standing. Manatili na po tayo nakatayo. At syempre, before we proceed to our next part of our program, syempre naman, buwan naman na natin agad-agad patiin lang natin ang mataas. So on my count of 3, patiin lang natin si Althea ng happy birthday. Just say, happy birthday, Althea. Okay? On my count of 3, sabay-sabay po tayo. Samahan niyo ako. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, everybody say, happy birthday, Althea! There you have it. Thank you so much. But to wait, there's more. Please remain standing as we are about to proceed with our program for tonight with an opening prayer to be led by Jonel Hila.
Salamat sa Panginoon. Aming Diyos, makapangyarihan. Salamat sa biyaya at kalooban mo, Lord, sa ito sa programa ito na ika-18th birthday ng Tiya Panginoon. Sa iyo namin, Lord, tinataas ang aming kawarhatian, ang iyong kawarhatian, ang manguna sa amin sa programa ito, Panginoon. Dakila ka, Panginoon. Aming Lord, papasalamat kung lahat ng ito na pinagkaloob mo sa batang ito, Panginoon. Pinupuri ka po namin ang pinataas, Lord. Lahat ng programang ito may kalooban mo po ang mangyari. Salamat, Panginoon. At sa lahat ng nag-prepare nito, Panginoon, ito po balik sa kanila ng biyaya at papala, Panginoon. Ingatan mo ang bawat isa na nandito po. Lord, ay papasalamat sa pagkat nakarating po kami sa programa ito ni Althea na hindi po na kanyang pinatay na araw. Salamat din mo. Ito po ang naluwalhati at mataas. At ang lahat ng ito ay pinapasalamat namin sa iyo, Panginoong Jesus. Ay magsabi lahat tayo po magsabi ng Amen!
Maraming salamat po. Everyone, we can now take your seats. Magsipag-una po tayo lahat. And of course, let's enjoy the rest of our program. We prepared for all of you only here. Once again, at Althea Mika's 18th birthday celebration. Palakpakan naman po natin kami ang ating napakagandang debutant of the night. Once again, Althea. Palakpakan naman natin siya, everybody! There you go. Emily, isang magandang gabi muli to everyone and welcome aboard. Of course, before we continue on in our program, please allow me to introduce myself first. Muli sa magandang gabi once again to all of our guests. And my name is host Riza and I'll be your host and a singer at the same time for Althea Mika's 18th birthday celebration. Palakpakan naman po natin kung yung ating debutant. And as we go along with our program for tonight, there is someone na nais magbigay ng kanyang welcoming remarks for our guest. So may I call on, palakpakan naman natin, Clarice Ambi Solina. So dahil dyan, puputulin ko muna po ang iyak attention na dahil ang goal natin ngayong event ay mag-enjoy and celebrate to rejoice at the same time po ay maging masaya tayo all throughout this event. But for the meantime, ituloy na po natin ating continuation of our program with one of the most awaited highlights po ng ating event, which happens to be our 18 traditions. So we have 4 political traditions po at unahin ko muna ang pinaka-unang bahagi ng ating 18 traditions, and that is what we call our 18 roses. Okay, so sa mga bahagi ng ating 18 roses, I'll be stating the facts. Okay, so our 18 roses signify those 18 gentlemen or the 18 kalalakihan na naging malaking bahagi ng parte ng buhay ni Althea. That is why you are handpicked. Yes, now pinili kayo. Selected talaga ni Althea to be one of her 18 roses of the night. And here's the defense that I'm going to ask you to. So sa lahat ng mga bisita natin na bahagi ng ating 18 roses ay pag tinawag po ang bawat isang pangalan nila, you may please get some rose po from our Gagawang Clarice. And then ibibigay niyo po yung roses na yan kay Althea. And you may also dance her here on stage. Paalala ko lang po sa ating 18 roses, boys and gentlemen, huwag po natin iiwan mag-isa si Althea habang hindi ko pa tinatawag kung sino man po ang kasunod. Okay? So may I request lang here? Ayan. Dito ka po muna dito sa main stage para ipakita sa spotlight. Okay, are you ready? Ayan, mamaya lang nag-chikahin na para mapil mo muna ang iyong birthday and ma-enjoy mo ang iyong special night. Okay, and so as we begin our 18 roses, syempre papalakpakan din natin ang bawat isang tatawagin ko palalakihan or gentlemen. So that, of course, we are going to acknowledge them. Okay, and to begin our 18 roses of the night, palakpakan naman natin, of course, Mr. Billy Ray Araneta. Palakpakan natin once again, Sir Billy and Ate.
Matagalan daw ng konti siya. Konti daw tagal.